Hi there, my name is Makoy Hidalgo of Orange District and ginawa ko ang kantang All Over Again and inspired siya sa personal experience ko. This song is about wedding, you being curious about wedding, kung ano ang feeling talaga ng nagpapakasal. This is a hope song as well. Sobrang lupit ng kantan to for me kasi nung na-mention ko nga na it's about my personal experience, syempre way back 2013, that year it was not good for me. So dun ako humugot ng inspirasyon and kaya nabuo tong All Over Again. Ngayon parang mas nadama ko yung kanta, mas na-appreciate ko yung melody and most especially yung lyrics. Nung inareglo namin to ng Orange District, syempre hindi rin madali and sobrang natutuwa ako sa mga kabanda ko kasi they put their hearts and yung talent talaga nila dito sa kantang to. Ito inspired siya sa urban dub, if nakikinig kayo ng urban dub. Sobrang fan ako ng urban dub and nakuha ko tong chord patterns doon sa song na Fight Is Over. I think ang chords niya is naglalaro siya sa G sharp. When the fight is over. So, doon ko binasihan ng chord pattern. Kaya yesterday I'll never walk away. Pagdating dito sa no all over, doon ko nilagay yung G sharps. All over again. So, yun yung kantang na yun na The Fight Is Over ng Urban Dub. Yun yung naging basihan ko para makagawa ng All Over Again. Sobrang natuwa ako kasi maraming taong nakaka-appreciate nung kanta. Ang ganda ng kinalabasan talaga. And natutuwa ako kasi yung mga taong talagang nakasupport sa amin, talagang they really listen to the message of the song, not just because of the melody, how it arranged, but then yung message na pinaparating namin sa mga tao. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Ito yung for me it is a hope song. Ito yung naging kanta ko din sa sarili ko na mabigyan yung sarili ko ng second chance sa buhay. It's a reminder for me na hindi pa huli ang lahat, and if you're looking forward or rooting to have someone na makasama habang buhay, ito yung parang song for you na pang second chance, ganun. So there's still a chance for you to look for someone or to have someone with you for the rest of your life. So kaya sobrang meaningful and sobrang importante sa akin ang All Over Again. Until now may goosebumps, ibang klase yung feeling ko dun sa song. All Over Again, isa siyang napakagandang kanta and sobrang ganda ng meaning niya and ibang tagos sa puso ko nung kantang to. Kaya sana ganun din kayo, ma-appreciate nyo din yung kanta, magkaroon din ng space to sa puso nyo, itong All Over Again. So guys, don't forget to stream our song All Over Again, available now in all digital platforms nationwide.
Yesterday